Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play older versions of Subway Surfers. First, you'll need to understand that accessing previous game builds often involves using third-party sources. This process requires careful attention to security and device settings. We'll guide you through finding reliable files and preparing your device for installation. It's a fun way to revisit classic gameplay and enjoy the game as it once was. To begin, you'll need to locate the specific older version of Subway Surfers you wish to play. Reputable third-party app archives are often the best place to start your search. Always prioritize sources known for providing safe and verified files. Before downloading, check for the exact version number you're looking for and ensure your device's operating system is compatible with that particular build. Once you have your desired game file, you'll need to prepare your device for installation. First, go into your device's security settings and enable the option to install apps from unknown sources. It's also wise to back up any current game data you might have. Then, simply locate the downloaded APK file and tap to install it. Remember to disable automatic updates for Subway Surfers to keep your classic version intact. Now that your older version is installed, you can dive into the classic Subway Surfers experience. Enjoy the original characters, familiar environments, and the power-ups you remember. To maintain this version, be mindful of game data and avoid actions that might trigger an update or overwrite your progress. If you encounter any issues, a quick online search for troubleshooting tips specific to that version can often help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.